Hello and welcome to my channel, Zippo Lion's Den. Today I'm going to be showing you a gold-plated lighter that Zippo calls Chinese Dragon, number 29265. This is an Armor gold-plated lighter. As you see, gold-plated Armor 360 multi-cut engraving. And it is definitely engraved all around with a little red piece of glass for an eye. See the Armor stamp down there, 2019. It's got a gold-plated insert. Which is also 2019, except it's a January 2019. And it's really a nice looking lighter. I'm glad I have one in my collection. Armors are definitely the way to go for an everyday carry. They last longer. They're 1.5 times thicker, the case is, than a regular Zippo. And I just think this was a really great looking lighter, which is the reason I got one. I hope you think it's a really great looking lighter too. So, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.